So we may have done a little bit of shopping at the weekend. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Handbag Angels YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm pretty sure this is our first new handbag of 2022. I know that is crazy because we're nearly halfway through 2022 and as far as I can remember, this is the first unboxing / new handbag video that I've done. We may have gone a little bit crazy at the weekend with our online shopping, and today I'm actually going to be revealing 2 new handbags and we've got another 2 on the way. So we've gone from no new handbags in 2022 to 4. Today I want to show you our 2 new handbags from YSL. Both of these handbags are super popular at YSL. I always see them on social media, particularly at this time of year. So we just thought, let's just do it. Let's just buy it. Let's jump on the trend finally. So like I said, I do have 2. I've just not got much space, as you can see, to fit them both on my desk. So they both came in the YSL bags. These 2 bags were then in a box. So it's almost like you've gone and bought it in the store, that you actually get the shopping bag. And then, gosh, this bag's huge. The handbags came in their dust bags. I do find ordering on YSL a little bit weird. Sometimes you get the boxes for your bags, sometimes you don't. I don't know if it's just a common thing that with this particular handbag you don't get a box, because you will see in a moment that it is one of their cheaper handbags. So I'm not sure if that is the reason why you don't get a box. However, back to my unboxing and my reveal, because I know you want to see. So like I said, it came in a dust bag, and here is the first one. As you can see, it is the ever so popular Rive Gauche tote bag, and this is the small size. Let's just take this off. I'm sure you'll all be familiar with this handbag. Like I said, what is that? Bit of fluff. Like I said, this is so popular, especially for summer. It's like the perfect beach bag, holiday bag. And yeah, we have firstly got this handbag in the small. I have realised that this year there are a few more prints and styles of the Rive Gauche tote bag. However, as you can see, we've gone for the classic canvas, neutral and black colour combination. So you've got the logo on the front there, Rive Gauche Saint Laurent. And then there is nothing on the back, it is just plain. The handles are black leather, and like I said, this material is like a canvas. And let's open up the inside. Oh, so I actually didn't know that the bag did this, but you can press stud the sides together. You can see those there. So you can have the sides in or out, which is quite cool. Take the paper out. And the inside is also this natural colour, and you've also got an internal zip pocket in there. Okay, so on the Saint Laurent website, it is actually £975. For some reason, I thought it was a bit cheaper than that. Maybe it's recently gone up. But like I said at the start of this video, this is definitely one of Saint Laurent's cheaper handbags, and I do also think that plays a part into why it is so popular. I mean, under £1,000 for a YSL bag, in the grand scheme of things and how prices are now, it's really not that bad. So there we have handbag number 1 of this unboxing video, and I'm now going to go on to number 2. And on to number 2, another massive shopping bag. This makes me look so small. I am quite small anyway, but it makes me look even smaller. Okay, so I'm going to stand up to do this. You might have already guessed, to be honest, from how the dust bag looks in its shape, what this is. But yeah, let's do the reveal. I bet you're thinking, it's literally the same handbag. Why have you got 2 of the same? This has got another piece of fluff on it. Right, so as you can see, it's another Rive Gauche handbag. This is meant to be the large, however, is it me, or does this look like the exact same size as what I've just shown you? It looks the same. I'm not even joking, I think these 2 are the same size. Oh wait, no. That's just me being really stupid. Okay, so back to the handbag. This is the large size Rive Gauche, and it's exactly the same apart from it's the bigger size. Now, you might be thinking, why have you got 2 of the exact same handbags? Now, it's unlikely that we will keep both. We just wanted to decide which size we liked better, basically. And when you're ordering online, it is really hard to gauge the size of handbags and their practicability, that's not a word, practicality, and what the size is going to be like on yourself. So yeah, we just ordered 2 sizes and we're going to decide which one to keep. I feel like there's not much point me showing you this one really because it is the exact same, just a little bit bigger. However, I will just double check the price. So the large size is actually above the £1,000 mark and it is £1,100. So yeah, it's a bit of a jump to be honest. A £200 difference between 2 sizes. But yeah, £200 between the two, small one below 1k, big one above. I do think I will do like a full-on size comparison video of these 2 handbags. If that is something you'd like to see, then just let me know in the comments. It has been a very short unboxing video. It's like a first look / reveal video. However, hopefully we will see you in the next one and it will be lovely if you could subscribe.